Okay, this is a crisper glass cover for Sub-Zero 650. Goes over here, and it also has the same kind of cover on the 611. And I'm going to show you how to take it apart and clean it and repair this rust. And this is the only one shelf you can do this to. You can't take the other shelves apart. So first, get yourself a putty knife and pop out these plastic pieces on the side here, like that. Okay, and we'll clean these really thoroughly. Soak them in hot water. Ugh, look like gook. You turn this around. There you go. Okay. Now, the rubber seals are repairable, replaceable. You can buy these. You slide out like that. These don't look that bad, they just need to be cleaned. And then we have this one here. This one also slides out. It's stuck. Okay, this one doesn't look bad either. We're going to soak these in some hot water and some cleaner. Now these pieces here, the ones that are rusted, now remember how this goes on. Okay, that's backwards. So you look at the shelf this way, and you see it says Sub-Zero. This is the front. That's the back. And what we're going to do is there's another rubber seal in here, right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these metal pieces off, put them in the sandblaster, get all that rust off there, and repaint them with this Por 15 gloss white. You could paint directly over the metal. You don't even need a primer. And then we'll see how that comes out. Here's the other seal. This is metal. Kind of gross, actually. Ew. Just put your putty knife underneath that rubber, like that. Okay, and there you go. That's the rear. That's where the seal goes in the rear. Here's this seal here for the back. Look at that crud. Oh, disgusting. Anyway, we'll clean these up the best we can. I'm pretty sure, I know we can get these two seals. They're still available. I'm not sure if these are available or not. If they are, maybe we'll buy new ones. But at this point in time, you want to take your glass and get it all cleaned up. And we'll put these, all these parts in the soaker. And these are going to go in the blast cabinet. Okay, let's start cleaning up these pieces here. I already cleaned the glass. And this is what I'm using. Heavy duty citrus cleaner. This little 3-gallon jug can do 56 gallons of cleaner. During the pandemic, when everyone was trying to get cleaner, antibacterial, I was buying this stuff dirt cheap. So you live and you learn. Anyway, here's the pieces. I got a little hot water in here and trying to scrub out all this crud. It's a little tedious, but you let it soak, and then of course the gaskets, the seals, same thing. You let them soak in the hot water, and then open them up here. Get in there with the brush. Now they're not going to come out perfect because they're permanently stained, but they'll be clean as a whistle and antibacterial. So in your refrigerator, you want to keep things clean. It's healthy. This is how you do it. So we're going to clean up all these pieces, the seals. Got the glass. We're going to dry it off, and then we're going to go into our sandblasting and blast those two pieces of metal, and then put it all back together, and then I'll show you how to do that. Okay, here are all the clean parts. This is the glass. It's not in perfect condition. It's not chipped or anything, but you can see a little discoloration from the etching on the other side. But it's very clean and spotless, and you can eat off it. So we'll put that aside. Here are the rest of the parts. These are the seals that are not available, so we have to keep these regardless. And then here's the other one. You see there's a little bit of discoloration on here. I have to get some maybe some lacquer thinner or maybe some enamel reducer, acetone, and clean that out. Same thing with these little spots in here I couldn't get out in the tub. So I'm going to get something in there to get that crud out of there. And here's the other one. This rubber seal is the one that goes in the front, like this. It's not bad. It's got a little discoloration on it, but like I say, I'm going to just give that a wipe with some acetone. That might come out, but it's in good shape. This one here is no good. Look at the crud in there. I couldn't get that out. So rather than spend hours trying to clean it, I'm just going to order a new one. So while we're waiting for that seal to come in the mail, we can work on the metal pieces, the front and the rear, and sandblast them. And so we'll do that next. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let's finish up this project. This is the rear seal. I got a new one here. It's the only one you could buy. The other ones are not available, so we have to make do with what we have. And so I took these rails, and sandblasted them down, painted them with 415, and here they are. They're nice and clean. And here's the seals that go in here. And so we're going to put this thing together so you can see how it's done. Make sure that's the front. It's unfortunate that I couldn't buy new seals, because I really would have liked to. Okay, that's that one. They're both the same, the front and it's just the gaskets, the seals that go in the front that are in the rear are different. Okay, so we run this up in here, get our rail. Like that. Then, hopefully, we just have to put this in like this. And remember that these little tabs down here have to be down because they sit on top of the side supports. I'll show you that right now. Hold on. So you see these little indentations right in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what keeps that crisper glass from sliding around. And that's what that's for. Alright, so now this is the shelf as it goes in the refrigerator. This seal goes in the front like this. Okay, that's good. Then the rear seal, here's the part number, 701-6720, crisper rear seal. It's the same, right? But it's it's not rusted. So you put that in just like this. There you go. That's how you take it apart. That's how you clean it. It's the only shelf that you can do that to. I don't know why. That's Sub-Zero. That's their decision, not mine. So let me show you the difference between the 600 series shelves. You see, these shelves don't have seals around them. They don't come apart. They're molded together. But I want to show you the shelves on the 500 series because I just happen to have a 500 series here. Now, the difference between the shelves are these have seals in them. See the little rubber seal in there? This shelf comes apart. You take out this rubber seal right here. You pull this out, and there's the one on top. And you can take the glass out to clean it and clean the shelves. It's a nice feature. Unfortunately, the 600 series shelves you can't do that. So let's just for curiosity's sake, let's see if the 500 series shelves fit in the 600 series refrigerators. Because if they do, then you can go buy 500 series shelves, and there you go, and that's it. That would go in like this, and still looks nice, but you can take these shelves apart, and that's the difference. But however, on the new Sub-Zeros, the new CL models, which I've seen in a training class, are quite beautiful. And they have different, I can't explain it how they make the shelves, but you won't have to worry about dirt getting caught in them anymore. Okay, so that's it. This is done. Why don't we just put it in the refrigerator and just consider this project done. Go. So that rubber seal in the front is for the crisper drawer, and that's it. This project is complete. Thanks for watching.